In this video, we'll show you how to turn on and off auxiliary equipment. First, open the iAquaLink app on your device and select the pool or body of water from the My Systems list. Along the bottom, select the equipment icon on the right. Simply turn the jet pump on by tapping the icon on the right. It will turn green once it's on. To turn it off, tap the same icon again and it will slide off. To turn a color light on, tap the right icon. From there, select your desired color from the list that appears. Once selected, a status bar will appear to indicate the LED light is syncing to your selected color. To change or adjust the spotlight color, tap the arrow on the far right. Select your desired color and the status bar will appear again to sync. Once you are done, turn the spotlight off by tapping the green icon to the right. Now that you've learned how to control your auxiliary equipment, you can easily use your iAquaLink app to control your pool and spa anytime, anywhere.